today's lesson, we're going to continue learning about colonial America. We're going to discuss the types of books that colonial students used when they went to school. These books were called hornbooks. Hornbooks look a lot like this one I have here. It has the alphabet, the numbers, and the Lord's Prayer. And sometimes they would even put a phonics lesson or other reading activity to help the students learn how to read. The hornbooks were made with wood, and they had a protective covering over top that was clear, used from animals. To make our hornbooks today, you are going to need a piece of cardboard like this, a piece of paper, some glue that's been watered down, a glue stick, a marker, or some other kind of writing utensil, whichever you want to use, a napkin, a hole punch, and a piece of ribbon or string. The first thing you're going to want to do to make your hornbook is take your piece of cardboard and your paper, your glue stick, and put glue all on the back of your paper. You want to make sure you rub it all the way against the edges so it stays intact. After you get your glue on, you're going to flip it over and press your paper down onto your cardboard. And then it's going to look like this. The next step you're going to do is you're going to take your marker, and this is where you're going to write down the information that you're going to want on your hornbook. I thought since we're studying colonial times, we should put the 13 colonies on our hornbook, so whenever you use it as a study tool, it can benefit. So the first colony was Virginia. You want to write these really neatly so you can see them. Colonial students always used fancy handwriting. Massachusetts is the next one. New Hampshire, Connecticut, Maryland, Rhode Island, Delaware, North Carolina, South Carolina, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, and Georgia. Now you have the 13 original colonies on your hornbook, so you can use it as a study tool sometime. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our glue that's been watered down, we're going to spread it all along our hornbook. You're going to take your paper towel and rub it all around. This is going to be the protective layer that protects the hornbook from any kind of weather or damage. Then the hornbook is going to look like this. I've actually completed one over here that looks a little better, and it has the brown paper just like the ones they used in colonial times. To finish off our hornbook, we're going to take our hole punch and cut a hole in the bottom, and then stick our piece of ribbon through the hole. And this is going to provide us with a handle so we can hold the hornbook or put it on our belts. Just tie a simple knot and you're good to go. So now I have my handle, and this is our completed hornbook, and I'll go ahead and show you the one that looks a little better that I made earlier, and you all can use this as a study guide for your future tests and exams. Good luck!